Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled onions. First, gather your ingredients: 1 large red onion, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You will also need a clean, heat-proof jar. This simple recipe creates a delicious condiment perfect for many dishes. Begin by thinly slicing your red onion. Aim for consistent thickness, about 1/8 of an inch for even pickling. Next, combine 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt in a small saucepan. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring until the sugar and salt completely dissolve. Do not boil the brine. Carefully pack the thinly sliced onions into your clean, heat-proof jar. Try to fit as many as possible without crushing them. Once the brine is ready, pour it slowly over the onions, making sure they are completely submerged. Tap the jar gently to release any air bubbles. Let the jar cool on your counter until it reaches room temperature. Once cooled, seal the jar and refrigerate your pickled onions for at least 1 hour. For the best flavor, let them pickle overnight. These tangy, vibrant onions are fantastic on tacos, salads, or sandwiches. They will stay fresh in your refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade pickled onions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.